Here we are settling into the new workspace. It's a bit of a mess at the moment, but everything's fitting in rather nicely and a lot more better than the last work area. And today I'm going to be talking about a new sort of shoulder modification I'm working on. It's going to be preventing the shoulder from, and the entire arm in general, from rotating over and not giving a good punching action. This is sort of just a H-frame. And we'll be just using this dummy as an example. It will be bolted onto the new shoulder piece. The shoulder will be going through all three of these pieces, so this creates less wobble. And the arm will be bolted onto this side right here, instead of just onto a single pole, so that will give more stability. So when the arm lifts up and down, it will not roll backwards as much, hopefully, especially since I'll be using a 3/8 inch bolt on there instead of a 1/4 inch. And I will also be mounting this in the center of the arm instead of on the farthest side to the back, so it should give a lot more stability and a little bit less wobble. So, and you can see I've already made 2 of these in preparation for when I go back to the house to install them on Marduk. So, I guess that will be all for today. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and keep your workspace clean today. Bye-bye.